Okay, uh, hey guys, welcome. I need to remove background, make it more clear. Go to the background section and find the best one. I don't think that yes, this will works. So hey, today I'm gonna start the uh, one AI agent based project. So, so I have started building the project with the help of GenAI, Python, FastAPI, and the React. So it is the Carrier AI. So so this so this so this project will be an AI powered job application and interview rep assistant. So the summary of this project that this career AI solves a real problem, like a job seeker spends 2+ hours tailoring each question, and this full stack Gen AI product uses LangGraph to generate personalized resumes, cover letters, and interview prep in minutes. So this is built as a personal tool for your job search, and it become the revenue generated product with proper market demands. That's all. So I have created the plan page by page. Why I cannot see this? Let me try to open. Why I cannot see? Oh yeah. So where's my plan day by day I created? So yeah, this was my day by day plan. So today is the I mean this day one. So uh, according to day one plan, we do so basically I do the project setup using with the help of fast API and the React and these Postgres schemas, and I will not use this Firebase sort. So basically, I will use GWT based authentication with the with, with the help of custom auth like email and the password. So let's go to the VS Code, open the folder. So yeah, so I have created the project plans. Phase by plus is the MD file. Okay. Yeah, this is the phase one of my of set up the project initialize front end with the help of Vite, React, Tailwind, and backend using FastAPI and Python. And the second step will be configure a PostgreSQL with SQLAlchemy and Alembic tables like master resume job application generation. So no context of or table. Yeah, and then third is the basic API structure. So I do setup of base API routers, cores, and the Pydantic schemas. So this is the backend I have created with the help of fast API uh, and the UB. So yeah, I have created the basics ones like folder structure like API cores are that they say with the configs and these database files models that I have been created in the this day one, and all the dependency I have installed this for the front end. Let's move into the back end. For the back end part, sorry, front end. I bet for the front end, this I have been sliced the this applic this React tab and the created with the help of basic structure like API assets components, basic structure, basic folder structure. So so let's try to run. First try to run the backend. Okay. clear it out. Ubicon app. Oh my bad, Ubicon. Now let's open a new terminal. Check out to the front end and run. So as you can see, let's try to open to some browser. This is my front end on the day one of this setup. Do one thing, let's copy this one, backend URL and docs. This is the basic setup of the APIs authentications, like basic API structure. So I have created basic APIs on the day one. So yeah, basically day one only for the project creation and these setup all these things according to my project plans. So yeah, so I will push the code into GitHub repo. So do check out the uh, GitHub repo now. Yeah, thank you.